What's up, guys? It's your girl Naturally Shiny, also known as Shantae, and I am back with another fun video for you guys, me and my family. Okay, as you're in the title, you know I will be rating my boys' outfits today. You know, possibly just the two of them. If little Marvin was being it, you know, he'll get his outfits together or whatever. And then wear whatever they want to wear, but you know, I'm going to rate their outfits today. This should be fun, this should be interesting. They're going to have 3 to 4 outfits, you know, depending, so we'll see. Alright, you guys, so before we hop into this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and also subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Also, head over to our family channel, and if you like, head over to my son's channel. It's Juellz KG. I'll put his link in the description down below, so you guys will see all that. Okay, let's get into this video. Alright, guys, so the first person is going to be Juellz, my 11-year-old. So this is his outfit. You come closer, show everybody.
Some shirt with money symbol. That's the I believe is right. Okay, so Cool Chain Billionaire Club, and is one. So basically, it's like a money shirt.
Okay, I like it. Alright, so let's step back. Let me see.
I'm stepping.
So, okay, I give your outfit a 10. Okay. Because you matched it perfectly.
Okay.
Definitely. Okay, so first outfit is a 10. For me. What would you rate your outfit?
I'll rate it 10 too, because I like the shirt with it.
I like the shirt. It complements your skin color. Makes it pop. Good choice. Alright, guys, next up is Marvin. I let him pick whatever he wants to wear. So come here, Marvin. Let's see. Okay, look it. Spider-Man, show them muscles. Show them muscles. Yeah. I give you a 10 because you are the cutest Spider-Man I've ever seen in my life. Okay. Now it's Micah's turn. Okay, guys, so I'm going to show Micah. Let me see Micah's outfit. Let's see the shirt. Turn around. Show the camera. It says, well done. Look at that. And look at that bun. Like his mommy. So do you like your outfit?
Yes.
Would you rate your outfit 1 to 10? 10 being the best, 1 being the least.
10 at the best.
A 10? Okay, I give it a turn around. Let me see the jeans. A 10. You put it together nicely. Good job.
Do the magic.
Yes, it does. Guys, Juellz got the second outfit.
Right.
You're close to the
So
camera.
I'm wearing an astronaut. Okay, well I'm wearing an astronaut shirt, which says "Get on my level." So basically, it's on the moon, as you can base tell. So I wore this before, but now I'm just wearing it again for a lot than that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on.
Well, you're not though.
Oh, no, in the hospital.
Yeah.
So I never seen what it was. At the hospital.
Right. So this is what the shirt looks like. And there's nothing interesting in the back or front. It's just this, the image.
Okay. I still like this shirt.
Huh?
This shirt's cool. I'll give that one like a 9.5.
Alright. I rate it a 9.
Because, you know, it's cool though. It is cool. It's like a 9.5.
I rate it 9.
Yeah. His daddy picked out those clothes. I don't do boy shopping. Alright, Marvin's next. Marvin has on. Let's see. Step back. Let's see. Who are you? It's your Darth Vader. It's your Darth Vader. You look so handsome and cute. You know, it's like extremely baggy. So that's why he's going to get a 9 because it's baggy, but he looks cute in it. Okay. Obviously, for him, this is a costume rating. So Mike is back with his second outfit. Let me see. Are you close to the camera? Let them see the shirt. Move over. This way. This way, baby. Alright, step back a little bit so we can see your face. Okay. I actually like this shirt. I give this a 10.
No, you don't.
Let's go.
Alright, so Juellz is back with his third, right?
Yeah. And then
Okay.
roll this, yeah. The skeleton dabbing shirt on the skate.
I'll give that a 10. That shit is cute.
Oh, right.
I actually like that.
They're only the front of the design.
And
Again,
it's like simple, but it's like really cute. The skateboard. You know what I mean?
well, I'll rate it 10 too.
I like it.
Because it's cool.
It's like, okay.
Also, last shirt is going to be probably one of my favorites.
Okay, might go back to his third outfit.
And that.
I'm gonna show you too, Mama. Okay, let's see. Come closer, show him the shirt. There you go. All right, step back. Let me see. This is the okay. That is the front. Okay. I give this one a.
A 10.
Okay, you give it a 10. I'm gonna give it a 9.
Okay. Now down
It's because
9
I see
and
Minecraft way too much in this house. Okay.
yeah. My guy told got 4 people and Richard to me. The way they do like this in Minecraft to me, I like it.
Okay.
Alright.
So this one is Zach.
You got to play Sonic. Because it's
I
about
should have figured that.
Hey, you should.
I forgot that you even had that.
Yeah. I didn't forget. Yeah, I wondered. So, this is what the shirt looks like. It's just you try to keep up there, you know, it says Sonic. If you watch the movie, you know why. It looks like that.
Hold on.
Oh, what?
Okay, so this shirt, I will give it a. I'll give this one a 10.
Okay. This is what I look like for so you can see the full back.
Okay, Mike gets back to his final outfit. Yes. Now let's look at this. Let's look at it.
The dumb Cajun do I call. I like it.
Okay. I'll give this shirt a 10. Because it's simple, but it's nice. And it's green.
With a joke on it. Like the baby joke.
What would you rate this shirt, Juellz?
I'm there, guys, and I'll rate this thing a 10 because it's awesome looking. I like the vacation theme. I like the green color on it.
It goes perfect because it has like the blue and the yellow too, so it goes.
It also has yellow in it.
Yep. That was nice.
I'll bet you don't.
And Micah's final bonus piece.
With the feet on.
You like this shirt?
They go on the way, I like it.
Let's see. Show everybody. Okay. Why'd you like it?
Because I got on my boat that I like it. I went with all my new clothes.
Alright. This shirt, I give it
10.
I give it 8.5 because you know it is simple. It's cool. It's not like those other shirts, you know. They just pop.
The difference.
And this is what I will rate it. I'll rate
get
it.
that tomorrow.
This is what I'll rate that shirt. I'll rate it a 9. It's cool, but there should be there's some color, but there should be some color in the background.
Alright, you guys, so this is the end of the video. I actually had fun reading y'all little outfits. I'm gonna do it again.
Okay.
So everyone's gonna go one by one, and everybody's gonna rate everybody's outfit.
Oh, let's go. I want to see that. Like.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So before we end the video, make sure to give a thumbs up. Comment down below which was your favorite outfit on each of them. Juellz, Micah, Marvin, you know, who had costumes on. But yeah, you know. And also subscribe to the channel and click the bell so that you'll miss a video whenever I upload. Also head over to our family channel and head over to Juell's channel as well. He has 2 channels. One is a reaction channel and another one, you know, he does book readings and like building Legos and stuff like that.
Yeah, but there's
on
no
his channel.
results. That's not that building is not up yet. But I can tell you what it's called. Just kidding. But
You guys will see it, I promise you guys. You guys will enjoy it, or your kids will enjoy it, you know, teenagers will enjoy it, some grown-ups may enjoy it, but head over to his channel, show him some love and support.
all right, also check out the reaction channel.
Yes, because he has a lot of reaction videos, okay?
Too much.
But all his links will be down below, both his channels, our family channel, and also we will time. We will see you guys next time. Peace out.
Peace out.
Bye. Bye. Bye.